Cooking with Timmy. Cooking with Timmy.
Is it started?
Timmy! Yeah.
Okay. So we have a mukbang for you. We have lots of different foods. For you
Yay!
to
Give me the
try.
food! Give me the fucking food, bro.
Okay, first we have cheese.
Cheese!
Yo, you fucking shit. Now we have
M-R-E! Hey, what the? What are you, bro? What are you?
Now we have baked beans. Just eat the goddamn beans and stop being autistic. Actually. Now we have Boneno chips.
I don't like that.
We being better. Stop. Now we have some hot cocoa. Hot cocoa.
I can feel Santa coming inside me!
Now we have some
Doritos.
spicy Doritos.
Doritos.
Spicy. Now we have a spicy Chalupa Supreme from Taco Bell. Are you little Timmy or are you a Demogorgon? If you fart again, I think there's. Now we have some. Bro. Anyway, mini broccoli.
Gimme!
Hey, you're small, just like your mom's chest. You're small, just like your mom's chest. Anyway, okay.
But my mommy said that was a group project.
Oh damn, we're out. Little Timmy, I said we don't have any more food. No.